the H, if you look, just beyond those trees, they've got an H painted in the grass. You see the H? It's like white.
I see it. Is it like that right on the grass?
Yeah, it's like a white H painted in the grass.
Oh, I see it. I thought it was over there.
Well, they got a lot of helicopters here today.
Yeah.